Hey, it's Avery here. Welcome back to another video on my channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing another unboxing, and this is not another book from Russell Brunson that I'm unboxing. This is actually a new ring light webcam that I just recently got in the mail. And funny thing is, before I actually opened this up, well, I shouldn't say before I opened it up because I already did kind of open it up off camera. And then after I opened it up and kind of looked at it, I was kind of like, you know what? I kind of want to do an unboxing video for this, right? So I was just kind of in the mood to do an unboxing for this product and kind of show you what you get inside when you pick up the ring light webcam, right? So if you're on this video right now, it probably means that either you are a subscriber to mine and you just decided to watch my video that I just did on this, just randomly, or you are doing some research on this product and you want to know more about kind of what you get inside when you, of course, decide to pick up this product, right? So this is the new Vitade 960A ring light webcam, and this I just recently picked up because in my case, majority of videos that I do on this channel are me on my computer screen, showing stuff around, and I've been doing these kinds of videos for well over a year, actually, almost 2 years, like a year and a half, I think, to be exact. And the funny thing is like I've been looking back on a lot of my old videos, and I realized that the webcam that I've been using is like the default webcam that is on my computer, which definitely isn't the best. It's kind of low quality, but it's something that I've been kind of using just for the time being, right? So I decided that now was finally the time for me to upgrade and get an official webcam that I could, of course, use, right? So my case personally, it was between this and the Logitech C920. So that one I was hearing lots of great things about, and that one seemed to be, getting lots of great reviews over the years. However, what I've been hearing is since COVID started, it I guess suddenly started to become harder to find, and it was like going up in price, right? So I found a video of someone comparing that webcam to this one and kind of showing like a side by side difference in terms of what it looks like. And he recommended the Logitech over this one. However, in my personal opinion, I thought that this one looked better, which is kind of why I ended up going with it anyway. And plus, it comes with a ring light, which was another selling point for me, right? So I think it's enough rambling, enough rambling for me. Let's actually go ahead and unbox this, and I'll show you exactly what you get inside and kind of what the whole webcam actually looks like, right? So you got this little tiny box right here. It doesn't show anything on the. It's kind of weird how it's, like packaged, but let's go ahead and unbox this. So here you have a few things. You have, first and foremost, you have the user manual guide, which we don't need that. We have this little gift card voucher, which it says like email us to get a $10 gift card. So I guess that's pretty cool. So I'll probably be doing that a little bit. And then of course you have the ring light webcam itself, which I'm going to go ahead and show you what is inside, right? So this is the Vitade 960A ring light webcam, and it basically just looks, just like this, right? So you would basically hook this up to your computer. You just simply put this right on your laptop screen. Of course, adjust it to, of course, have it fit on there. And then right here is where you would tap it to increase the light to make it go, brighter or darker, right? So this is pretty much what it looks like right here. And yeah, that pretty much does it for this video, right? So I don't really think there's too much else for me to really cover inside of here other than maybe some in terms of like some specs or like what it's all about, right? So with this, it has some of the features right here. Dual stereo noise canceling mic with voice print. You've got precise white balance, background replacement. I'm not sure if that means like green screen type of effects or whatever, but I guess that's something I could possibly look into. Wide angle view, large aperture, clear picture quality, automatic low light correction. So it seems like it's got a lot of really cool features on here. And then it goes over like what the computer configuration requirement is all about. So it goes over all the instructions there, and then it says compatible with your regular devices: Windows 10, Mac OS, Chrome, Android, Linux, Xbox One, and that type of stuff. And that's pretty much what it goes over there, right? So I think that pretty much covers everything for this exact video. Hopefully you have enjoyed this. And if you want to, of course, check out the Vitade 960. I might include a link down below, which, if you go through that, it might give me some credit. Although I don't really care too much about Amazon affiliates because they don't really they don't pay out that big of commissions anyway, right? So I might include a link down below. Otherwise, if you want to check this out for yourself, I recommend going to Amazon, searching up Vitade, and you can simply, of course, pick up this for yourself, right? Anyways, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and take care.